2307014001.
My name is DAMIYA binti AZHAR, AN2307014011.
My name is FAIZA, AN2307014076.
My name is MAISARAH, AN2370140062.
Hi, my name is SYAHIDA AM2307014023.
Hi, my name is SYIFAA, AN2304044176.
So today we are going to do a volcano.
Let's go! What we need to make a volcano? Please.
A bottle,
Pepper, baking soda,
with coloring,
And vinegar. Let's start. Let's go! Here's the result.
Okay, let's start the experiment. Ya tuan cakap je, hari cepat.
That's all from us.
Bye.
Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about something truly amazing, which is lava mountain, also known as volcanoes. These incredible nature features have fascinated scientists for years. They explore these volcanic realms using special tools and techniques to unlock their mysteries. So you see, when volcanoes erupt, they release a hot glowing liquid called lava. So scientists have been studying lava for a long time, but recent advancement in technology have allowed them to learn even more. They can investigate things like the thickness of a flow of lava and how it cools and how it interacts with different structures.
Let's try a fun volcano experiment for 4 years old. At this age, kids are in preschool and love hands-on activities. They are curious and learning about cause and effect. We'll make a mini volcano using a Play-Doh or clay. Then watch it erupt swiftly with baking soda and with nature. Be a blast of fun and learning.
The lava mountain experiment is seriously awesome for 4 years old. It's like a volcano adventure where they get to explore and learn about science through their sense. They can see cause and effect in action and discover how chemicals interact. And the best part is they can have full discussion before, during and after the experiments to express their thoughts and observations. Plus, they can even create their own volcano story. It's a volcano-tastic way to boost their language skill while having a blast.
Other than that, under adult supervision, children learn about safety practices crucial for experiment conduct. This protocol cognitive responsibility and hazard awareness, fostering a secure learning environment. Additionally, the lava mountain experiment offers family a chance to engage in their educational journey, bonding over shared experiences and nurturing scientific exploration.
During the experiment for children aged 4, the opportunity to actively participate in the experiment by molding the volcano structure, pouring the eruption mixture and observing the reaction. This hand-on approach facilitated experiential learning and helped solidify their understanding of scientific concepts. The next experiment introduced basic scientific concepts such as cause and effect relationship and volcanic eruption in age-appropriate manner. Children demonstrate an understanding of this concept through their observation and discussion.
Okay, for the weakness are first, safety concerns. While handling the vinegar and baking soda with no glove on hands, this might hurt children's hands. Second, the cleanness. The experiment results are spills everywhere, so it is a mess. And third, must have complete items to make this volcano experiment. So, this experiment also wasting money. Why? After done the experiment, all the items need to throw in the dustbin.